Well, much has happened in the last couple of days. Growth seems to be going well. They're getting a little taller. I just had to add some string to hold them up. This one here, which I think is Paul Robeson, is my least producer, but I took one this morning. It was pretty ripe and it was delicious. One of my first tomatoes. I've eaten 3 so far. It looks like there's about 4 at least, or 5 on that plant. This one, the Japanese black truffle, I mean, I had like 20 tomatoes on here. I had 1 or 2 fall off. I got 2 really nice ripe ones on the bottom. They're probably going to be picked in the next day or 2. I got a lot more coming in behind that. None of these are real big. These, I believe, are called Cherokee Purple. I'm a little confused on my names. I know these are the black truffle, the Japanese black truffles, because they're pear-shaped, and those are definitely pear-shaped. And those, I'm 99.9% sure, are the Paul Robesons. That's my lower producer. And this, I'm pretty sure, is a Cherokee Purple. It is producing well. And then this one over here, I believe, is the black from Tula. And I had one off of here this morning, and it was delicious. I will say, of these 2, between me and my mother tasting these, we both thought that the Paul Robesons were a little better. My mom thought they were a little tartar, and she liked that. I thought they were a little sweeter. And I got a black from Tula yesterday, which we ate, which was really good. But it was kind of a dinky one. It was about the size of a plum, but it was ripe, so I ate it. It looks like I'm going to have several more here in the next couple of days. So just a quick update. Only a couple of days from my last one, but everything's getting red, so I was excited. I wanted to share. All right. I think I'm going to go ahead and pick this one right here. It's kind of wedged in here. I'm worried about it. Yeah, it took a little damage already. Probably just me picking it. But I'll leave it inside and let it ripen up. I'll have that tomorrow. That's about my biggest tomato yet that I've picked. And probably growing, one of my biggest ones so far. All right. Just sharing the update.